We are globetrotting through retirement on the Rick Steves Heart of Ireland tour, exploring the mystical 6th-century monastery of Glendalough in the beautiful Wicklow Mountains National Forest. And as soon as we arrive, we're greeted by one of the residents. Glendalough Archway is the main entrance to the ancient monastic city. It is Ireland's only remaining example of a medieval gateway. And again, we see the intricate stone masonry techniques that were used in the 6th century. It's an engineering marvel how this archway has remained solid through the centuries without mortar. Next, we see the Round Tower, also known as the Bell Tower, a symbol of Ireland's monastic sites. While also providing an excellent lookout for invaders, it was a beacon for other monks and pilgrims.
And it was the job of one monk to climb 6 stories using a ladder. A set of ladders, up and down, up and down, up and down, up. Ring the bell. He did that 5 times a day.
If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. This early Christian monastic settlement was founded by St. Kevin in the 6th century. Most of the buildings that survive today date from the 10th and 12th centuries, despite attacks by the Vikings. St. Kevin's cross is a fine example of a plain cross remarkably carved from a single granite stone. This cross shows how St. Patrick tried to acclimate the once pagan people of Ireland to Christianity. This was done by combining a cross with a circle representing the sun. The Cathedral is the largest of the 7 churches in Glendalough. It was built in several phases from the 10th to 13th century.
They built it up. How did they build up so high? Because when it was built, it was one of the biggest buildings in Ireland at the time. And we're talking about this rectangle only, 1100.
St. Kevin's Church, better known as St. Kevin's Kitchen, is from the 12th century. Legend has it that this structure was used as a kitchen, but there aren't any records to back that up. St. Kevin's Church is a fine example of Romanesque architecture, especially with an intact stone roof. Next, we enjoyed a short walk in the woods surrounding the historic monastery, and there are different hiking trails to explore around the lake and the stunning views. We also checked out the visitor center, taking us back to a golden age of Irish history, following the footsteps of St. Kevin, the founder of Glendalough. Glendalough is one of the most popular tourist destinations in all of Ireland, and it's not surprising with the stunning landscape, historic ruins, and beautiful walks, and a place we would love to return as we continue globetrotting through retirement.